Welcome back to another detailing video. We started off this day with this beautiful Lexus SUV, nice color. I love colors like this. After a nice detail, they really pop. You guys know the drill. I'm not a big fan of the foam cannon process, so I do it all basically the old-fashioned way. I have done it before, like I said, and I enjoy it, but I just don't do it. I know it looks more professional to some people, but I like this process much better. In reality, with the foam cannon, you're just wasting soap. And with this process, it's more controlled. You kind of use what you need. This is the first Dodge Durango that I've ever detailed. Belongs to one of my new clients. And actually, I really enjoyed detailing this SUV. And also shout outs to my friend Andreas for stopping by and helping me knocking these cars out. Like I said, I like to basically book as many appointments as I can. Usually no more than 4, but get them done as soon as possible with good help and go home as soon as possible. And to me, one of the most important things about detailing is the initial wipe down before you start doing all the dressing and all that good stuff. A good wipe down really sets the detail apart. And of course, I had my brother working on a Honda Accord. He basically detailed that car all himself because I didn't have time to touch that one because I was busy working on this one. And it's not like I don't trust his work. He does the same thing I do, so I feel comfortable with me doing one car and him doing another one. It's not like I have to check over everything he does. We work great together. We make a good team. And check out this interior on this Lexus. Red, man. Red always stands out. Red always looks classy, sporty. I mean, red is just nice. You can't go wrong with red, ever. And honestly, I don't know what color this SUV is because one of the things that sucks about me is I'm colorblind. So I have no idea what color that is. I just know it looks really good. And I know I'm not the only one that thinks that because that color really stands out. And I always pull the car out to do the final inspection out in the sun because what better light is there than sunlight? No, I'm watching. Keep going. And of course, a white Audi always looks good. You can never go wrong with white in any car. And this is why I'm not a fan of black. This is a brand new truck and you can already see a bunch of imperfections on it. Because black is just like that. Black is, it just shows everything way too much. Although I'm not a fan of black cars or trucks, this one really looks good after a good clean. I mean, you can't deny that. Black looks good after it's clean always, but it just can't stay clean. It would mean a lot to me if you guys would help by subscribing to the channel. I would appreciate it a lot. Stay tuned for more videos, guys.